morning. Today we are recording our last graph that we did for this unit, that circle graph. So CO65. Remember that circle graph represents, oh, I forgot to put it up here. I am so sorry. That circle graph represents 100% of your data. So all the percentages, if you add them up, should equal to 100%. There was a equation I gave us to remember how to solve it. Who remembers what that equation was? Lila?
Part equals percentage times whole.
Part equals the percent times the whole. Okay, that is important to remember. So as we're going through looking at our work that we did, I even wrote it at the top here. We had for our first one, some of these we did together. I think we did this top part together, right? Did we do the whole top one together? I think so. The bottom one, this circle graph might be a sport preference. Which three sports together had more votes than cricket? Tennis, hockey, and football. If we added those up, it was more than cricket. If two people voted for golf, how many people were surveyed? So we know the part was 2. We know golf had 4%. So we had to divide 2 by 0.04 and we get 50. Then we have if 60 people voted for tennis, how many people voted for hockey? So we knew there were 60 people as the part, and that was 12%. We had to do that math, divide 60 by 0.12 to get 500 for our whole. So we could fill in the 500 for the whole. We know that hockey was 18%, so if we multiplied those two together, we got our part of 90. Okay? You're going to have to be able to do the math like that on the test. It's not always going to be one step. You're going to have to know how to do the 2 steps. Use what you know to find what you don't, so you can use what you know to answer the question. All right. Any questions on the circle graph? Okay. Time for review. So we have the times people are finishing a race at 5-second intervals. Intervals are always the histogram because we have that range from 0 to 30, from 30 to 50. We have those ranges, so that's the histogram. The results of a class survey of everyone's favorite M&M color by quantity. Quantity tells us it's going to be a bar graph. The number of views on your YouTube channel to find a trend, that would be a line graph. The number of tacos your food truck sells each day to find the range and the median. Range and median, that's when we look at that box and whisker. Okay, we can find those ranges. The results of a class survey of everyone's favorite M&M color by percentages. Percents are the circle graph. And ordering the minutes you spend on social media with the median and the mode, that would be stem and leaf. Kellen, just come sit down. Oh no, as you're walking to get a Kleenex, you're also chatting with friends, and that's going to stop. Thank you. Any questions? So on the test, you're going to need to know what each of those graphs are used for. Okay, those keywords. As we go through our review, we are going to go through that to know what to put on our review sheet. So this was our last objective. We're going to close up this video to make our review video. So if you're watching at home, I hope you're well. Hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.